Want to boost your sales fast? Set up your meta pixel for your Shopify store. It's the easiest way to track customer and improve your ad performance. Follow this tutorial to get it done in a few minutes. At first, go to your Shopify store. This is my Shopify store. Under the online store, here show apps. Simply click on apps and search Facebook and click here Facebook and Instagram. Now click install button. It may take a few seconds and click again install. Now successfully installed the app. After install the app, keep your Shopify store open. Now open your Meta Business portfolio. Create another tab. Search business.facebook.com and enter here. Now click on setting. After that, left side show all tools with 3 lines. Click here simply. Now here show event manager. If you can't see event manager, you can search here and then show event manager. Click event manager. Here show partner integration. Simply click partner integration. And after that, under the popular partner, show Shopify. Now click on Shopify. Now loading, it's coming soon. Now here show connect account, and under this here show guided step with no coding required. You have to click connect account. After that, select a data set and click here. Now here show two options, active and inactive. Active means this pixel already connected another website, and inactive means this pixel not connected anywhere. Now you have to select an inactive pixel. I am selecting this pixel. Name is Growth Optima Pixel 1. Selecting is and next. Now click go to Shopify. Select your store. I am selecting my store Passion UV. Click here. Wait a few seconds for loading the website. Now you have to connect your Facebook account. Continue. It's loading. Now connected your Facebook account. Now you have to connect your business portfolio. Now I am selecting Growth Optima business portfolio. Now click on connect. Then make sure share data is on and source preference under the source preference enhance selected. Now save this. Now you have to select your data set. Our data set is this one, Growth Optima Pixel 1. Now connect this again. Now you have to check on the box agree for term and condition. Click here simply. Now finally submit for review. Wait a few seconds. Now here show all the setup. Now verify your pixel connection. For that, go back your business manager. Here click next. Again next. And Click finish. All the work, everything is well. Here show active and test your advanced dashboard. Here show Shopify is connected, 100% completed. Now test event for that for the verification. Enter your website URL here. Test event. Selecting this product. Here show page view content and fire add to cart. Everything is okay. Your meta pixel is now live, ready to tracking.